Here is the video for the 2023 Volvo C40, top of the line ultimate all-wheel drive with a range of 226. "20-inch V-spoke black diamond cut alloys. Panoramic glass roof. Rear heated seats. HK sound. Extension for the legs. .360 surround view. Wireless charging. Heated steering wheel. Pilot assist, driver assistance system. And there you have it for the top of the line C40 Ultimate all-wheel drive.